How to activate your Moneyline card. Let's go to Moneyline card. Awesome. Let's get it activated so you can start using it. It's super easy and you can do it in a couple of minutes. Quickest way is through the Moneyline app. Let's open the app and log into your account. Once you're inside, you can see this type of interface. Now, tap on center bank icon at the bottom of the app. You can see it over here. Tap on it. That will open up a rower money for you. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to the rower money, which is over here. Tap on it. I'm not originally from US, so I may not be able to show you the rest process. However, I will guide you through the process. Now, what you have to do is simply fill up your all information over here. That includes your birthday and your phone number. After doing that, simply tap on checkbox confirming I agree to be contacted through the automatic dialing system and dot. And always make sure to read the terms and policies and also the privacy policy. And once you're done, you will get a verification code and confirm your rower money. And just after that, again go to the rower money, and then you will see an option for the select more. Then you will see two cards at the top of your screen. So your debit card, MasterCard at the right and virtual debit card at your left. Select the card on your right. After that, follow the on-screen instruction to activate your debit account. And what if it doesn't help? Alternatively, you can also call automatic activation line at 1-801-736-2453. Before calling out, make sure to have your card details ready and be prepared to set a 4-digit PIN upon activation. I hope this helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.